I'm Fred Dion. I'm leaving for 21 days of survival in nature alone. Today's video is about how I'm gonna film this adventure to make it real for you. So, I'm bringing 10 cameras, this monster black box, I'm gonna reveal what's inside this, and all the tricks I'm using to make this cinematic film and series that I want to do. Stay tuned. So, a lot of stuff to share with you today. First, I need to tell you Quincy won't come this time since I'll be hunting, fishing and trapping. She's not used to all this stuff, so you won't come. So, two main things, the filming kit and the charging kit. In the filming kit, I'll have this tripod. I have the tripod you're on now. It's a long selfie stick with a tripod on the bottom. This is the filming box. Usually I have two of these boxes. This one is the drone. If you've seen my Can I Survive With series, I was filming myself with this drone. It takes a lot of time filming with the drone, so this time I have my friend Pascal Marquis, which is an adventurer, a filmmaker. He'll be aside, camping aside of my territory, so maybe like 2 kilometers away from me. And he'll do the filming with the drone and all the beauty shots. Sunrise, sunsets, mushrooms, leaves. That will leave me more time to do my survival. And not having to do the drone, which anyway I always crash. It will make a difference for me. Did you see my drone in the TV challenge? I was filming the sun rising and I hit a tree. The drone fell into the water. It kept filming for 1 minute and the fish passed through. That's this drone. 2 trail cameras. One will be on my camp, one will be at my shelter, and one other camera that I'll place maybe on animal trails or when I'll put a deadfall trap. This camera will catch the action. So the main case, camera case. First thing first, all my adventures for the last 5 years were filmed with iPhones. These pieces of gear are incredible. It's tough, you can film underwater, no problem. I'll do everything with this. I got a big screen, I got different mode. I have 2 iPhones, so 1 main and 1 backup. So iPhone, I need a little light in the shelter for filming, so that's light. This is a little tripod that I use for many things. You can do whatever you want with it. Microphones, I like the DJI stuff. This is a mouthpiece, so I can wear my iPhone in my mouth, just like that. If you remember the DIY belt survival challenge, I was filming the paddling in the rapids with the raft with this. This is perfect to complete the iPhones. It's a power pack, wireless, you can charge even if it's wet. I use a lot this one. 360 cameras, that brings a lot of pretty nice shots, different, so it can change the angles, give you a swing. The dolly, basically what I do with it, I put 2 ropes in between 2 trees, and I'll do some cinematic shots. I just use it with a remote control and my phone. I can do stuff which was impossible to do a couple of years ago. Technology brings you to that level of images. This is the newborn. It's a Osmo Pocket 3. Basically, it's like a gimbal. It's stabilized. You can film yourself, move, walk with it, just like that. So what I like to do with this camera is filming myself with the tracking mode. So I can walk around the camp, do whatever I have to do, and you'll be tracking me. So I can light a fire, go get a piece of gear at the camp, come back, and you'll be tracking me. So let's use it to show you what's inside this black box. This is the power station box. It will be left like 100, 200 meters from my camp, in a place where I can have the sun, because inside this, there's solar panels. So I got 24 watts of solar panels oriented to the sun, and this will give me half of the power that I need for the whole trip. Hopefully it will work. Other than that, oops. Other than that, in all my season, I calculated that I need for my phones and all the cameras that I have, I need this much power every day. So it's around 50 watts an hour per day. So one little power pack. For 21 days, I got like 600 watts right here in my pack, which is basically all the power packs that I have for my tools, drones, and other packs like that. This will be powered by my solar power. I've calculated 8 hours of sun every 3 days. I didn't want to have anybody to come to exchange SD cards or to give me some power, so I wanted to be perfectly self-sufficient. Other things in this box, I got my first aid kit. I got some wires in it to charge with the solar panels, microphones, backups. I got also other microphones and backups, SD cards, and this is a special makeshift thing that I have done. Basically what I do, I put my action cam on the lid, flip it, and put it into the water. I can have the shot filming half underwater and half over water. This is the kind of stuff that I like to do. Your shot, your shot. It's fun to have it in different angles. So you'll see, with these things, I can do magic filming my adventures.